good morning. Really early today. It's 6:40 at the moment. Agong looks like super incredible. We missed the sunrise definitely, but it's not that long time since sunrise, so that's why everything still looks really spectacular. And we are going to Candidasa. I know it's not that far that we were there, but anyways, if there is a chance to go, so why not? First dive done, completely I'm idiot. Like when I was packing all the things for today, I forgot to take my BCD and regulator. Of course we have a spare regulator, and finally what I did like a kind of sign mount just without a BCD. It was completely stupid, and but sometimes happens. It ain't happening with me that sometimes I forget fins, sometimes something else, but this is the first time I forget the BCD. The water today is a little bit greenish. What we saw in a cave, we saw one injured marble stingray. It got a hook here next to the gill, and also because probably there'd been a line and she'd been trying to get off of it, so then she broke the line but damaged the one side of the body. It was really pity to see it. She will be okay, but yeah, really pity. So now we're gonna do Tepekong, and we will do, in this side there is a blue hole, so we will go down to some 15 meters exit, as you saw from my previous videos, is on 25 meters. Depending on the current, I would love to go this way, like where is the wall. The wall is super amazing, and we just want to repeat it, but we will see. If the current goes this way, then we will of course will follow to the left. And there's another dive boat. Probably guys really hope to see Mola Mola. We'll see, maybe. As more often we dive here, as more there is a chance to see Mola Mola. Again, we have to choose the right time to do it, and it's probably starting July, middle of the July. Then you have to dive regularly here. Usually it's a full moon or it's a new moon when you can see it. The water temperature today is 27 degrees. Not really extremely cold, but it was a little bit chilly. So this is a boat we're diving from in Candidasa. Did the Outlook upgrade today? We came out from the cafe and there was a guy who was selling sunglasses. I'm constantly squinting my eyes just because there is really bright sun all the time. Then finally I got the wrinkles around my eyes. It doesn't really matter for me, but you know, it's easier when you have glasses. Something I would like to add is that people get scared of Candidasa dive just because there is oceanic waves. And also when you jump in the water and all these currents and everything, it looks pretty terrifying. What I want to say is that as long as you get down to some 4 or 5 meters, it's absolute silence. absolute calmness, and it's really relaxing. So that's that. Only the beginning is challenging. I cannot do anything with that, so that's why we're trying to before we're going to Candidasa, we're trying to prepare people here. But anyways, here we almost always going from the shore. The conditions here are so comfortable comparing to Candidasa, and definitely we'll go back again. We will try to do it more often this year, like I said, just to not miss Mola season. Same way what happened at last year, we just simply missed it because no one was really diving there. No one was really informed, is there a mola, what time, what is the water temperature, no one really knows. And so we will try to fix this problem this year. Especially we have some friends coming, they will stay for a little bit longer, and then we will go there constantly.